Welcome to Linda's TV show. If it is your first time and you like this channel and the program, please subscribe. I appreciate each and every one of you for always tuning in to watch me. It's not easy. May God Almighty bless you all. Please, after watching each of the videos, I want you to leave your comments constructively and tell me what you think about the video and the channel. This is very, very important because it enables others to form their opinion as we hop into today's video. I love you all. Honestly, I love each and every.
Let us break away peacefully. Let us stand as a country of our own called a Yoruba nation, a Biafra nation, a Middle Belt. Also, the force majeure, that fraudulent 1999 constitution, that constitution that has kept us, as a slave for so long, that constitution that is not working, that constitution that has literally made life unbearable for our people, that constitution that is one of the reasons why you don't have electricity. That constitution is one of the reasons why you don't have, police that can take care of you. That constitution is the reason why you are all suffering. And we are saying, let us come together, let us work together, and let us now unite together in one force and bring down that country so that life can be more meaningful. So you don't have to be looking for American visa, UK visa. Look, we are tired. We want to come back to our land. You might be thinking that, oh, but you live in UK. Well, why are you stressing yourself? This young man, whether you want to call me young man or old man, it doesn't matter. Or young boy, I look very fresh. It's because of the weather. I want to rather be in my own land than being in this country. Let me say this to everyone. For every day you are outside your land, you are promoting, you are helping another man's land. Whether you are in Asia, whether you are in Europe, whether you are in America, whether you are in UK, it doesn't matter wherever you are. You are literally supporting the system of another man's land. And for as long as you are there, you are only, they're paying you for the job. A lot of people get paid for good job, and a lot of people are doing good business. But have you not thought of doing the same thing in your own land? Have you not thought of doing the same thing that you are doing now? Everything, you can do the same thing. Any job, it doesn't matter. Look, it doesn't matter whether you are doing cleaning, kitchen porter, you are engineer, IT consultant, business person. It does not matter. Everything you are doing now, let us think about doing it in our own land. That way, we can promote our land, we can develop our land, we can do business. And now, yesterday as well, I was showing you, let me show you this. You see, these are companies that are working, doing different things. We can do all these things. Everything you are looking at, there's nothing special here. Let me tell you, there's nothing special. Most of what you're looking now, most of these things that have been designed are also have the intake of the black people as well. Now, look at the pharmacies I just showed you, right? I was showing you earlier on. And now, have you ever thought of why you don't have access to those healthcare? So let me repeat it again and again. Why are we agitating? What is the reason behind it? The reason behind it is I want to have a Yoruba passport. I'm not interested in a British passport. I'm not interested in an American passport. Let us have a Yoruba nation and we can compete with them. In 10 years, you will see whether you will live in this country or you will go back home. They know that. They know that when a Yoruba nation stands on its own, they know that things will change. But they don't want you to, they want us to continue to live outside our land, and then, we become immigrants, when you go back home. And now, for those of you that are saying that, things will change, don't fool yourself. Nothing is going to change. Nothing is going to change. Do you know what is going to change? Fulani are going to get more of your land. And the Yoruba bastard politician, they are ready to sell it for peanuts to the Fulani, the Chinese, and the Pakistan. Do you know that? Do you know that the Chinese have been buying so many land and they've probably been digging and extracting some of the the natural resources that is underneath our land? They'll probably cover it up. They'll tell you they are doing farming, but all that is lies. So what we are saying is, the reason why we are agitating, we want to make sure that our nation our nation can compete with this country. Our nation can compete with Germany. So that people are not going through the Mediterranean Sea. People are not running around, trying to survive. People are not running around trying to come to this country because they believe that this country is the only, people look at it as God. People look at, look, a white man goes to toilet. That's what you don't know. But because you are in Nigeria, you look at them as, inferior complex, no, they are just the same people like us. But the only difference they have is their country has given them opportunity. Their country has given them hope. But in Nigeria of today, you don't have hope. You don't have opportunity. And that will remain a big obstacle for you. So why then are you saying that, white man is different from us? They are not different. The only difference is, they are being taken care of. They have access to almost everything that they can think of. But you now, sitting down in that contraction, sitting down at home, and asking yourself, I would love to go to UK. Yes, it's good to come to UK, but the only difference is you will just be suffering the same way we have suffered for the last 2 decades. But if a Yoruba nation, a Biafra nation, a Middle Belt, even if truly Nigeria was working, if truly that shit old contraction was working, none of us would have been here in the first place. But because it is not working, that is why we are where we are today. It's because it is not working. If it was working, why should we be here? But you don't understand that. You are just thinking that, I want to come to London as well. Even if it's Kitchen Potter, even if, no, shut up your mouth. If we have a nation that is working, call our own nation. Nobody needs to travel out of the world. Nobody. Because everything you are looking for, everything we are looking for is right at home. But the difference is we are under a country that is not our name. We are under a country that does not belong to us. We are under a country that does not value human rights. We are under a country that has been merged. And that is creating a lot of problem for us. Our identity, our real identity has been distorted. Our real identity as Yoruba people has been kind of, turned around. And some people say, it's because, it's now time for a Yoruba, a politician to become president. It's a time for Igbo. Oh, all that is, all that is nonsense. You understand? All that is bullshit. All that is 419. The politician knows the game. And they are using some of our diaspora. They live here. They probably pay them maybe $10,000 or £1,000, and they start doing their own media, and they start telling you, Nigeria is working. Tell them to come back to that country that is working. A country for 60 years cannot provide electricity. 60 years cannot provide. And some people will say Rome was not built in one day. Shut up your mouth. What do you mean Rome was not built in one day? How many of you that you well qualified, right, compared to the North, where they are not even well educated than us, but they are controlling every resources that belongs to us, and they think that we should continue that way. We have our elderly that should have returned back home. They are still living here because they can't go back home. They can't go back home because there's no home for them to go back to. They can't go back home because there's no home to go back to. So as I say, my name is Olayomi Koiki, and I hope we've been able to, again, this is Dustin Market, where there's quite a lot of, Africans, they do their shopping, but they can't leave home. They can't come back home. Some of them are in their 60s, in their 70s. They want to come back home, but there is no home to come back to. There is no home, right? And if you think, can you see that? I'm sure you probably saw that, this was in a Capitol Hill, look at it again. The flu virus kills thousands every year. The flu vaccine is the best protection for you and those around you. Just get your free flu jab. Can you see that? 10,000 people hospitalized with COVID. Again, for those of you that think COVID is not real, COVID is real. We keep saying that all the time. I understand those of you in Nigeria, you say it's audio money, you call it different name, but at the end of the day, COVID is real. And let me show you one thing again. A lot of you look at all these beautiful cars all the time. Most of these cars are on credit. Whether it is a van, whether it's a normal car, as long as you have good credit, all you need to do is you just go to the showroom, you give them the data, and they will do a credit check on it, and straight away you drive a brand new car. Straight away you drive a brand new car. This is what we are saying. So when you look at all these, look at that now. These are, this is a job. All these, these are, they work with the council. It's called the Hackney. This area is called the London Borough of Hackney. So now this vehicle is a council vehicle. They get paid. They go around, pick up the trash, and they take it down and they drop it, and everybody's happy, right? But in Nigeria, right, those that works with the council are not getting paid. So you ask yourself all these questions, and people don't understand, why we say, let us now say enough is enough. Let's see.
Hi, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time or first day of coming across my YouTube channel or seeing my face, you are highly welcome. Herzlich willkommen zu meinem Kanal. Mein Name ist Linda Chukwueze. It's coming as Miguel. That red button that says subscribe, and you turn on the notification bell so that you'll be able to get information on notifications.
Bis zum nächsten Video und einen schönen Tag. Tschüss.
Tschüss. Bis man subscribe to Linda's TV show. What are you waiting for? Click on that red button that says subscribe. You turn on the notification bell so that you'll be getting more updates from me. Leave your comment down below and share this video with your friends, families, and colleagues until we meet again in my next video. Bye bye.